The PureCut system integrates seamlessly into existing machining processes with two flexible options, through the spindle or external delivery. For spindle delivery, only minor modifications are needed, typically adjusting seals of the rotary joint and occasionally the tool holder. For external delivery, it's as simple as installing a stainless steel pipe, or for more advanced setups, using our robotic delivery system called Roboflow. As far as infrastructure goes, Fusion Coolant makes it turnkey. PureCut uses recycled carbon dioxide, requiring just a storage tank, a pump, a heater, and plumbing through the factory, far simpler than traditional aqueous systems. For smaller setups, portable carbon dioxide tanks and compact heating and pumping units easily connect to your machine tool. It's efficient, it's scalable, and it's designed to work with your existing setup with minimal effort. PureCut is engineered for easy integration, whether you're retrofitting one machine or an entire factory. It's simple, scalable, and effective.